This is a very special episode of Bill Cooks. Today, visiting all the way from Canada is my identical cousin Edgar, and he wants to make for you a very special local recipe. Come on in, Edgar. Oh, thanks for having me. This is great, eh? I feel like a celebrity. Yeah, everybody back in Beaverstump's gonna be like, hey, Mr. Hollywood, here, I'll give you a key to the city. Oh, well, sure, but I don't think we have any locks. So what are you making for us today, Edgar? Well, thanks, Gus, for having me. This has been a great trip, and the Mexican food's been amazing. But we have our own taco recipe up north. It's a little different than yours here, but we sure like it a lot. Now, we can't get all the fancy ingredients like the tortillas and stuff, so we use just plain old white bread. It's delicious. Now, can't get the carnitas either. So good, but we have moose stew. It's pretty similar, but it's a bit strong for tacos, eh? Now, I'll just use some sliced ham most of the time. Now, I'll use back bacon if I have it, but it's not Christmas, so the ham will just have to do it. Now, cheeses. Canada's known for cheeses. But we've got none of that here. Arizona. I don't know how you live. You ain't got cheese, eh? Now, your Velveeta. Well, it's real nice and all, but no. I'm just going to use some Italian cheese here. This is a provolone here. It's real nice, extra spicy. Now, the next most important part of any taco, of course, hot sauce. You gotta have the hot sauce, eh? Now, up in Canada, we use Hellmann's, but down here at Best Foods, it's the same thing with a different label. Who would have thunk it? Now, you take your butter whacker, and you get yourself a nice big slobber of hot sauce on here, and you just slather it in there, and oh, extra hot sauce for me, please. Oh, I like them spicy. Yeah, now you put that on there real good. Yeah, now you take your ham there, you put it in, so good. Put them like that, it's fancy. You put your cheese on top, put your other tortilla down on there, boom, you've got yourself a Canadian taco. So thanks, cousin, for having me, do appreciate it. And everybody back home, hey, bye now. Well, that's amazing, Edgar. Thanks a lot for coming in, sharing that with us. I'm sure everybody really appreciates that. It's very special. Very special. Thanks for tuning in on this very special episode of Bill Cooks. Join me again, please. Don't judge us too much on this. Thanks, Edgar. It's awesome.